Hi guys, this is 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer. I'm showing today how to adjust the handbrake in your car. So you have to first undo it this cover. You have to pull a little bit back. It's hard. Like that. So, and you can see here the 10 mil the bolt. You have to put the lever down and see, you can see the little bit play up in here. Then you have to tight like a clockwise. Show you the slight closer look. You can see the clearly. So maybe tighten a couple of rounded and check the handbrake. It's like a normally 7 notch, that is enough. 1 2 3 4 5, that's enough. So after that, put back the cover again. Up. Then press it down. It's all good. Thanks for watching my videos. See you next after that next video.